Hi guys, we still seem to get a fair few requests from brands who are interested in restricting selling into a market from inventory that is available in that market only. So, for example, only sell to customers in the UK from inventory that is available in the UK locations. Now, we know by default on Shopify, if you have locations across markets, say, for example, in the US or India, then a UK customer will be able to complete the purchase even if the item is out of stock in UK but available outside of the UK. Now, this problem can be easily solved by configuring Shopify markets, fulfillable inventory, and shipping profiles correctly. That's what we will go through in this video. We will simulate two markets, UK, three locations in the UK, and India, only one location in India. And we don't want to sell inventory across markets. This demo store, what we have is configured to allow shipping across markets. As we can see on our antique drawer product page, when viewing as UK customer, we can add the item to the cart as the item is in stock in all three locations in the UK as displayed by our location inventory widget. Now let's switch to India market. And we can see we can still add this item to the cart, even we can clearly see the item is not in stock in India warehouse. Let's solve this problem. I am going to first go and create a market from markets menu for India. Test. And if you see, Shopify has added India market with one shipping rate, which is using the general profile. And if we go back and refresh this page, it still lets us add the item to the cart, and it's still not in stock in India market. So to solve this, we need to go and correct our general shipping profile. All right, let's fix our shipping profile. So I'm going to go manage and shipping. And if you see our general profile, if you see all of the four locations are shipping to all of the world location. And that's what we don't want. We don't want all of the locations to ship to all of the countries in the world. So what we're going to first do is we're going to take out India from all of the locations first. We're going to uncheck that. So now this four locations, now no one is shipping to India. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove India warehouse from, don't ship from this location. So now India warehouse is not shipping to anywhere. So now what this shows is this three UK locations are shipping to rest of the world. India warehouse is not shipping to anywhere. So we're going to click on start shipping and do not copy from an existing one. Let's create a new one and we call it India zone, and we select India, and we don't really care about this for this demo purpose. I'm going to leave it at free shipping. Click save, and now what we have is we have the fulfillment locations which are based in UK are shipping to rest of the world but not India, and India warehouse is shipping to India only. Now let's go back and see what does the market setting look like now once we do that. So if we go back to market, United Kingdom, it says shipping to 237 regions. And if we go to India, it says shipping to India, just one location. Now let's go back and see what happens. And if we refresh the page, wow, it's still not fixed. It's still letting us add the item to the cart. Now this is something where you need to tell Shopify to use fulfillable inventory. Now let's see how to tell Shopify to configure fulfillable inventory. Now this setting, you will find it under your shipping and delivery. And if you see there is a manage fulfillable inventory link, now this link will only be available if your store is a newer store. Anything older than April 2024, you won't see this link because that's the default option now. Shopify now only does fulfillable inventory. For the older stores, you have to explicitly go and turn it on. So if we go here, this is an old demo store. So if we go and turn it on, say show only fulfillable inventory. If you read the message here, which clearly describes what this feature is, and we hit the save button. Now, typically, I'll notice it takes a few minutes for the storefront to update correctly. So we'll give it a couple of minutes and come back and refresh our page. So I'm going to try and refresh our page and see if our fulfillable inventory has taken effect, and voila, it has. So now for India, we cannot purchase this item because it's out of stock. But if we go to United Kingdom or to any other country, we should be able to buy this item. Hope this video is helpful to any brands looking to restrict purchases within a market. Thank you for watching and listening.